Hello. So today we are going to do stripes. Starting first with pinstripe. They are those regular thin stripe. Then this is awning. Awning is like a thick stripe. You get the canopies on the shop. So it's basically with a lighter background and a thick stripe. So that's called awning stripe. Then you have thick and thin stripe. It's multicolored also, or it could be a single color. The idea is thick and thin. Then we have a zigzag stripe. Now, as a designer, it's very important that you should know all the different kinds of prints, be it stripe, be it checks, be it plates. Okay, now these are your diagonal stripes. It is also called as regimental stripe. That's more like a military stripe. And then this is like a zebra stripe. Now, zebra do not have stripes, but it is called a stripe. Funny, isn't it? Anyways, it's called a zebra stripe. So this is just a simple starting to know all your stripe. Of course, there are many stripes and there are many variations. We have stripes and we have checks and then we have plaids. You need to know all the difference. What's the difference between a plaids and a tartan? You should know what is a stripe and the checks and the hood to checks. So there are many different variety, and as a designer, you need to know all of these. So I taught you at least the 4-5 stripes to start off with. Okay. Now, since I'm doing a stripe, I'll do a more younger version. So what I'm doing is a very trendy young girl with beautiful two pigtails, and so we'll start with the garment. So I'm giving her a lovely bra top or a bustier. I'll be playing with different stripes, vertical, horizontal, diagonal kinds. Okay. So when you're doing a stripe, understand a stripe flows according to the body shape. So if I'm giving a cup, I would not give straight lines. It is. Can you see it's slightly circular? So that's how you do it. Okay. So now with the skirt, I'm giving a layered frilly skirt. Now the reason I'm giving frills or lots of layer is so that you understand how a stripe flows according to the crease line. Yeah, because I've seen many a times students make mistake while doing stripes. Now since it's a very young dress, I am giving her a lovely high boots. Okay, so a garment is almost done. I'll start with the sketch pen. I'm outlining the whole thing, and I won't do the stripes right now. I'll do it later on. But right now, I'm just outlining the whole garment. Again, understand, I've given all the details like a bra, cup size, cups, circle I've done, and the seam line I've done. So all the details I'm doing. So starting with. So here I'm using only sketch pen. It's the fastest medium. And it's a regular sketch pen. I think it costs around 20 rupees. That's it. Yeah. So here, see how I'm giving the stripes. They are flowing according to the crease line. Don't make it straight. Even if it's a straight line, because it's made up of fabric, it's not made up of steel. It would not fall flat. Now it will go according to the crease line. So when you're drawing even if you're doing your embroidery or even if you're doing your borders, always go parallel to your hemline. That's how the crease line, or that's how your print will flow. That's how your stripes will flow. Yes. So simple as this. Adding a beautiful blue and red stripe. Okay. I'm adding slightly the shades because it's a white background. I'm using a gray. So I'm using a stellar color, gray color, and I'm just adding a shade. That is, I'm giving a shadow of the creases. Okay. Now here I've given a sheared puff sleeves. Now even if it's a striped puff sleeves, it's going wavy, right? Because it goes according to the fabric flow. Okay, with the skin. So I'll be doing many videos. Please subscribe to my channel. I don't want you to miss out on any of my video. You have to hit the bell button. Okay, now since it's a leather boot, what I'm doing is I'm outlining my negative area. Negative area in the sense the place which is going to be shiny, because it's a shiny fabric, right? The leather, so it reflects the light. So what I'm doing is I'm outlining that area and then coloring the whole face, giving slightly more skin tone, and we are almost done. Okay, I'm giving her lovely tinted glares. I like this cute piggies. It's looking nice. It's looking trendy with this girl. Okay. So next video, I think it's going to be about checks and plaids and different varieties. So keep following me. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button. Okay. Give her hair. I'm starting with a dark brown thingy, and then I'll add a black to it. Okay. I'll add a red color. That goes for the hair. Now my strokes of the black pen color pencil is according to the flow of the hair. I'm giving her a tint. So okay, I would always ask you all to give a background to your sketch. It makes it look more complete. Always make it a habit to give some background to it. And we are done. Very simple, very quick, using sketch pen. So, Bhargavi, that's my name, and that's the name of my channel, Bhargavi Raval. So, subscribe to my channel.